Okay, listen. Proverbs chapter 1 verse 7 states that the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. Why it states that? Now, when you read the scriptures, you get knowledge. This is our instrument. It guides us, it protects us. It gives us instruction how the Lord wants us to walk. Like in the book of Exodus chapter 20, we're given like the commandments, how we should live as human family. And it told us in the Leviticus chapter 19 verse 1 to 2. It says now, started 2. He say, be ye holy for I the Lord, I am holy. He stated that. So those are instruction. So instruction are wisdom because they give us knowledge and understanding. And if we go to the book of Ecclesiasticus chapter 1 verse 21, it states that now the wisdom is drives away what? Sin. It drives away sin. So wisdom, the understanding, the fear of the Lord, because this is the beginning of wisdom. So the fear of the Lord, it drives away sin. And it turneth away wrath. The way to do that is by obedience. You have to read the word, understand it, obey what is you are being told. And by that, you drive away the wrath by obedience because you repent. If you repent, the Lord forgives you, so He won't pour His anger upon you. So it drives away wrath. So wisdom and instruction are good for you because they save your soul. Let's keep on winning, my friends. Ciao.